Hi creative friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be opening a brand new mystery box from Cricut. This is called the Bohemian Beauty Mystery Box. So if you're interested in seeing everything new that Cricut comes out with, as well as some great DIY ideas, product reviews, all of that type of thing, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's dive into this box and see what's inside. So, as you guys know, the mystery boxes are really fun because you get a huge assortment of different types of things, and they're always a really great value. I would say most of the mystery boxes are anywhere from 60 to 65% off the value on them. So let's start out with the first thing in this mystery box, which is a brand new Cricut Cutie in this mystery box. So this one is the color Wisteria, and if you've never had one of the silvery kind of metallic looking ones, they're so beautiful. This one has a purple cast to it, and they're just really, really beautiful. They stand out so much in your collection, and this is just such a fun little bonus to be included in this mystery box. So as you can see, there are multiple layers to this mystery box. This is something I really love about the packaging. Cricut really makes sure that everything arrives safely and it's not moved around. So let's go ahead and break into the items we can see right along the top. The first item is this deep point blade plus a housing. So here's the blade and here's the housing. Once you have the housing, you can always buy replacement blades, and it just makes it such a great value because you can just keep the housing and just interchange the different blades. So if you've never used a deep point blade, this is perfect for slightly thicker materials. So you'll usually use the other blade, the fine point blade, for something like vinyl, iron-on, those type of projects, paper. This is great if you want to use it on something a little bit thicker, like felt and different materials that have a little bit more thickness to it. Plus, you can use this on the Maker series and the Explore series. So the next item in the box is the extra fine point set in Bohemian. And Bohemian has such really beautiful colors. You have kind of a rust color, a nice bright green, a really pretty brown. There's a more of a purple tone, and then a darker green. So if you like those kind of natural rustic colors, this is beautiful for crafts, and because it's a nice fine point pen set, you can use this interchangeably on your Explore series machines and your Maker series machines. So as you can see, there's a set of materials that are all really beautiful in here. Let's start out with the one on the top. This is the Cricut Premium Vinyl Holographic Sparkle. This is the Sensei sampler, and it's a permanent glossy sampler. So there are 3 different sheets in here. They're 12 by 24, so you get a lot of value for them. And there are 3 different colors. There is a nice bright kind of fuchsia. There's more of a mint color, and then a nice soft pink. So this is such a great way to add a little bit of sparkle to your project. And this would be perfect for, spring especially, and you could use some of this for Valentine's Day. So Cricut knows that we are all huge fans of iron-on, so they've included a lot of iron-on in this box. This one is the Strong Bond Metallic Iron-On in the Mosaic. This is a classic sampler, so there are 3 different sheets in 12 by 12, and these classics colors are really beautiful, ones that you can use for pretty much anything. There's some gold, some black, and some silver, and this really neat kind of geometric pattern. This makes it perfect for things where you're using something that has kind of a graphic design, such as hearts, or anything where you would have diamonds or squares. This would make a really amazing accent for. The next item is Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On. This is the PASTELS sampler. So the PASTELS sampler is such a great accompaniment to pretty much any project you're going to work on, especially for spring. So pretty. There's a nice kind of medium toned purple, a bright kind of teal color, and then also kind of a salmon color pink. So it's like a pink peach. Really, really beautiful. 12 by 12 inch sheets, so you get just enough to make some projects that you want to make, and you don't have a ton sitting around. Plus, this is just awesome. Strong Bond works for over 50 washes. It's amazing. Their guarantees for 50 washes. I've had t-shirts that last a lot longer than that, so I would definitely break this out for t-shirts. The next item is Strong Bond Foil Iron-On. This is in the Sequin sampler. There are 4 different sheets in this one, and they are 12 by 12. They show you using a little mermaid on here. They're really, really beautiful. So if you want to add a little metallic accent, this is perfect. There's a nice blue, there's a little fuchsia, there's more of a cobalt blue, and a silver. This is amazing, especially if you want to create something where you have a really bright pop of an accent. This is also perfect for a top layer accent on a project. So you could just use this by itself. I've used the silver before on a spaceman t-shirt. This looks so adorable for kids. Really fun one to play around with. And last but not least is Cricut's Premium Vinyl True Brushed. So this is a permanent matte vinyl. It's a classic sampler. It's very heavy on this one, and there are 3 sheets that are 12 by 24 inches. It's really beautiful material. This is a great way to get a really interesting finish and have something that looks really beautiful and high-end. I would definitely use this on home decor especially. I feel like this is such a beautiful accent for home decor. You get that nice brushed finish, and it's going to look more expensive. It's going to look more custom using something like this, and there's a lot of material in the sampler. So here is an overview of everything inside this mystery box. We have our adorable Cricut Cutie in Wisteria. We have our deep point blade with housing so we can play around with a ton of different materials. Premium True Brushed Vinyl. We have 3 different rolls of the Strong Bond iron-on. 2 of them are specialty rolls, so you get some really interesting finishes, and you get a roll of the permanent glossy holographic Sensei sampler, plus a pen set. So these are such awesome pens. I love using these in my machines for everything from cards to gift tags, so much more. So if you would like to pick up one of these mystery boxes, the link is in the description box, and I will have the link in the comment section below. I have a coupon code if you're purchasing anything else to go with this mystery box, such as tools, accessories, and materials. You'll get free shipping on orders over $50, and you'll save 10% off. This is in addition to your Cricut Access membership if you're purchasing anything else. The mystery boxes, the coupon codes do not work on the mystery boxes, but they work on anything that goes with it. And remember, if you're purchasing a mystery box, it's such a great value. This is a great time to pick up a ton of different materials to try out at a fraction of the price. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will be back with another video here shortly and showing you some different projects that I'm working on. I'll talk to you guys later.